Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create contacts in Salesforce from Facebook lead ads. So as a business owner, I am running some Facebook lead ad for my business. And here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically that lead should be created as a new contact in my Salesforce account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ads with my Salesforce account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my Facebook page that I have with the name The Yoga Nest. And as a business owner, I am running some Facebook lead ads to receive new leads for my business. So here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead as a new contact in my Salesforce account. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ad with my Salesforce account using an automation software. And now firstly in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. And here to generate the test lead, we are going to use lead ads testing tool by Meta. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I've selected my page and my form. So this is the lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as the first name, last name, email, phone number and the city. Now after entering all the required details, you need to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So let's go and check our Salesforce account. And here we are going to refresh our window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name test lead. Here you can see the phone number and the email address of our lead. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ads with your Salesforce account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on the sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my different applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Then here's asking me to select the workflow builder. So you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So basically beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this newly launched feature that is beta version by clicking on the select button given over here. And then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So it is asking me to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as create contacts in Salesforce from Facebook lead ads. And then here's asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, we are going to select the folder as contacts. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is the response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm running Facebook lead ads for my business. So I'm going to select my trigger as Facebook lead ads and my app event as new lead instant. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ad is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account, and then here I'm going to click on this continue. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So I easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you are already logged in your Facebook account in the same browser, or else it is going to ask for the username and the password of your Facebook account. And once you're going to add the details, automatically your account is going to get connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. And then it is asking me for the page name and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have my page with the name the Yoga Nest. So I'm going to select my page as the Yoga Nest over here, and here for the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here in Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see the form that I've already created with the name sign up form new. So here you can create your own lead ad form as per your requirement, and in this case I'm going to use my form as sign up form new. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my lead gen form as sign up form new. So I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen form. And now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So again, here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here, and it says your lead has been deleted. So now we're going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so now after refreshing the window, we are going to select our page once again as the Yoga Nest. So we are going to search for the page, and then we are going to select our form. Then I'm going to click on this preview form. Alright, so this is my lead form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for the name, first name, I'm going to enter the name as demo, last name as lead. Here for the email address, I'm going to enter the email as demo0001111@pabblytunes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. And here for the city, I'm going to enter the city as Bhopal. And now here after entering all the required details, click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received the first name, last name, email address, phone number, city, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead to our Facebook lead ad, then automatically I want to add this lead as a new contact in my Salesforce account. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Salesforce and my app event as create a contact. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Salesforce account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Salesforce. Here you can see it is requesting for the access. So So I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So again, it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Salesforce account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Salesforce account, or else it is going to ask for the account details. Alright, let's move forward. And then here's asking for the first name, last name, and some other details. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive a new response to a Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the first name, we are going to map the lead's first name. Here I'm going to map the lead's last name. Here I'm going to map the email address. Moving forward, here we are going to map the phone number. Here this title and some fields are not required fields, so we are going to leave all of them blank. Again, we are going to map the same phone number over here. And again, these fields are not required fields, so we are going to leave all of them blank. And here for the lead source, we are going to select web from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here after entering all the required details, we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Salesforce account for the new lead received to our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check it. Here we are going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name demo lead. Here you can see the phone number and the email address as well. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Salesforce. So that when you're going to receive new lead to our Facebook lead ad, then automatically using the lead details, it is going to create a new contact for the same in our Salesforce account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to create contacts in Salesforce from Facebook lead ads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.